All right, I just wanted to go through the Garmin Connect app. I think it's really cool. There's just a ton of really useful data in here. So I really wanted to just kind of go through it. Again, this is a big reason that you buy a Garmin smartwatch. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So let's just start from the top. This is the last activity that I did, was my ride today. So it gives you the total time, the distance, calories, average miles an hour. What's cool about the map, so obviously we started here and ended here, but you can see the speed. So obviously blue is slow and green is faster, yellow is faster than that, and then red is like really fast. At some point, so I think, right, this was a downhill. So this was a bridge over 95 right here, right here. This is a bridge. So obviously this red right there, it was, obviously we're going pretty fast. So I'll back out of that. So, but I just wanted to show you, I mean, really, the GPS accuracy is very good. I mean, you can see on these corners, it's tracking it very, very well. And this is, I use the Venu 2 on this one. I mean, at no point really does it go over, I mean, even around the roundabout, there's a little bit of a thing right there, kind of ran over that, but overall, just very accurate in terms of the GPS. So let's go back. Just wanted to show you that piece. Average heart rate, ascent, different calories. It gives you these intensity minutes based on your activity. It gives you the distance. I set my laps on my bike rides to 5 miles each. So it tells you the miles per hour per every 5 miles. So it gives you that. And then it also gives you your speed, average, max, heart rate, elevation, heart rate zones. There's just so much information in there, and that is just the first little screen there for my last activity. So it's giving you your VO2 max. I've only had the watch about a week, so I am 29. It's saying my fitness age is 23, which is great. So you always want to have your fitness age be less than your actual age. Training load, heart rate. This is just over the past days. Those are the highs. Goes by day, your beats per minute. Body battery, which is saying I'm dragging. That's why I need some coffee here, because my body battery is low. Stress, so it's saying how many minutes today were high stress, pretty much based on your pulse. Intensity minutes, your steps, calories today. Yesterday, what happened yesterday? You can look at all the different workouts. So strength training, AMRAP, so much information. Sleep, so it tells you your how long you slept. REM, light sleep, deep sleep, your pulse ox, respiration, beats per minute. And again, it just goes into the last 7 days, kind of all your averages. So your sleep score average, calories average, that type of thing. And then if you go over here, you can look at just so many different things. Your training status, I already showed you that. Training, workouts, training plans. I did set this Garmin coach up, which is kind of neat, but I don't really use it all that much. But anyway, there's a lot of just stuff you can fiddle with in there. I just wanted to show you that. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is Connect IQ, which is basically where you get new watch faces, different apps for your watch. There's not a whole lot of stuff in here. There's only a few different music things. There's a lot of watch faces, but most of them are kind of so really that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you that you can actually customize a watch face and do it yourself. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. Thanks so much for watching Scott Reviews, and we will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.